When you think of Tokyo today, you probably picture this: a sprawling, neon-lit metropolis of steel, glass, and concrete. It's the ultimate symbol of the future. But what if I told you that the real city of the future existed right here, 300 years ago? Welcome to Edo. In the 18th century, before it was called Tokyo, this was arguably the largest city in the world. With a population of around 1 million people, it was bigger than London, bigger than Paris. But here's the remarkable part. Unlike the smog-choked, disease-ridden industrial capitals of the West, Edo thrived without fossil fuels, without plastic, and with virtually zero waste. They created a perfect, closed-loop society. How did a pre-industrial civilization sustain 1 million lives in total harmony with nature? And more importantly, what secrets did they know that we've forgotten today? Stick around, because the answers are going to blow your mind. If you love deep dives into history and sustainability, hit that subscribe button. Let's travel back in time.